собираетесь воевать?
Бля,
Ёб твою мать.
Я смотрел на
Что
него.
он делает?
я говорю, он не видит, что ли, совсем, блядь.
Adzer was driving on the road when he suddenly encountered a dangerous situation when a black car next to him collided with his car, causing it to lose control and crash into the median. The strong collision caused serious damage to the car, with many parts deformed. Adzer immediately stopped to check the situation and condition of his car. This situation reminds us of the importance of maintaining a safe distance and paying attention to surrounding vehicles. Being prepared to respond to unexpected situations is necessary to protect ourselves and others. Driving responsibly, obeying traffic rules, and staying calm will help us avoid unwanted accidents. One evening, Alea was driving home when he encountered a dangerous situation. While driving on a deserted stretch of road, he noticed that the car in front of him had stopped, forcing him to slow down and stop as well. However, a car behind him did not slow down, rushing forward at high speed and hitting Alea's car hard. This incident not only caused trouble for him, but also emphasized the importance of paying attention and keeping a safe distance from other vehicles. The driver behind him did not observe carefully, leading to an unnecessary accident, and also showed that driving at night requires high concentration due to limited visibility. Just a moment of distraction can lead to serious consequences, so drive with care and responsibility to protect yourself and other road users. Moving and turning hastily without paying attention to the surrounding traffic situation can lead to unacceptable accidents. In this situation, two cars collided when one car crossed the road without looking carefully. The driver of this car did not notice that there was another car moving next to it, leading to an unfortunate incident. The collision not only damaged both cars, but also affected traffic on the road, creating a chaotic scene. Drivers need to pay attention to the rear-view mirror, carefully observe the surrounding situation, and make sure there are no vehicles nearby before performing the operation. Obeying traffic rules not only protects yourself, but also protects others.
States that further freedom, he paid his ex 100,000.
Piotr was involved in a serious accident when the car behind him was approaching at high speed without paying attention to the traffic situation around him. While Piotr was driving through a busy road, he did not notice that the car behind him did not slow down. The strong collision from behind not only caused Piotr's car to hit the car in front, but also created a chain of collisions between vehicles, causing a chaotic scene. The camera footage clearly recorded the incident, showing the danger of the situation. This incident clearly shows that failure to observe and keep a safe distance is the main cause of serious accidents, not only affecting the driver himself, but also threatening the safety of other road users. Surveillance camera footage captured a serious collision between two cars as they passed through an intersection. In the video, the car was traveling at high speed, not slowing down as it approached the intersection. At the same time, a passenger bus was also passing through the same section of road. The combination of speed and lack of observation led to a violent collision between the two vehicles, creating a chaotic scene and posing a potential danger to other road users around. Slowing down and paying attention to your surroundings is extremely important to avoid unfortunate situations. Drive responsibly. Make sure you always obey the speed limit and maintain attention to protect the safety of yourself and the surrounding community.
Right, this guy got off and that's that scores. He graded locked, there was a better pass.
On a snowy road, a black car stopped to give way to pedestrians according to the sign. However, a white car came from behind at high speed. Because the driver of the white car did not observe carefully and did not reduce speed, an unexpected collision occurred between the two vehicles. The strong collision not only damaged the black car, but also caused panic among the people around, especially pedestrians. Drivers need to stay alert, react promptly to unexpected situations, and obey traffic rules to protect themselves and other road users.
Excuse me, 100.
Сука, ублюдок.
Every traffic accident leaves behind painful consequences that no one wants. So remember that every trip is precious and safety must be put first. Do not take traffic rules lightly, because just a minute of carelessness can lead to unforeseen situations. Let's build a civilized traffic community together where everyone obeys the rules and respects each other. With just a little awareness and caution, we can protect ourselves and those around us.